Here 8.4 exercise. The first question is express the trigonometric ratios in sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. That means write sin A in terms of cot A. I will show you how to do this problem. Here three are asked. The first one is sin A, the second one is secant A, the third one is tan A. So dear students, you have to remember one thing. All the ratios belongs to one triangle and every ratio has only two sides and third side is connected by Pythagoras theorem. So we can change one ratio to another ratio. Let us see. Let us take cosecant square theta a minus tan square a is equal to 1. This is the third identity I have taken. And cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot a. Now I am going to reciprocal it both both LHS and RHS. So 1 by cosecant square theta is equal to sin theta, sin A is equal to, this is a reciprocal as it is we have to write down. So here we got a sin square theta. Now here sin A is equal to root of 1 by 1 plus cot A. You see sin A can be written as in terms of cot. So only numbers are there and no other ratio is here. Only cot is there. Therefore, sin theta can be expressed in cot like this. You can take a root to the numerator, denominator, and we have the final step is sin A is equal to 1 plus root of 1 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. So this is the way we can convert sin theta into cot theta. Only by practice you can get it. Okay, let us see second one. Now the second one is about secant theta. We should show secant theta in terms of cot theta. So this is the answer. You can see this one. You have to take secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Second identity. So take secant square theta this side. Take tan square theta to the other side. 1 plus tan square a. Secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square theta can be converted into 1 by cot square theta. Reciprocal. Therefore, convert into cot. So here itself only we can get secant theta in cot theta. Now here, but it is secant square theta. Okay, but here two terms are there. Take the two terms LCM. That is cot square theta. Cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Now take this square to the other side. Root of cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. And that's all. Here itself only we got the answer. But we have to convert root to the numerator and denominator. Root of cot square A plus 1 by root of cot square A. Both numerator and denominator. So root of cot square A plus 1 by the square and root will cancel, here only cot square A. Now you see secant A is completely in cot ratio with one as a one number is there, but uh, no other ratio is here on RHS. Therefore, like this we can convert secant theta into cot theta. Let us see the last one. Now the tan theta should be converted into cot theta. So simple. Tan theta is equal to, I am writing tan theta. Both sides. Correct, no? Tan theta is equal to tan theta only. So this is LHS tan theta. And RHS tan theta, I am writing it as a 1 by cot theta. Therefore, tan theta is equal to 1 by cot theta. That's all. So by using identities, we can convert, just we can change into any required form by using identities.